Hey, what's up, my people, and welcome to my channel once again. Okay, today is going to be a very quick one, and it's more of a giveaway session with the TonDB, and these are amazing people, if I say peoples and stuff like that. So now today we're just gonna go straight to the video. So right here you can see the link for the TonDB. I'll be posting it down in the description, so do well to check the link out and follow, guys, and get engaged and doing it. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to click on the link and I'm going to click on start. Now it's going to pop up this. Now you want to follow on X. Definitely X is one of the best platform for me. You can do it to drop me a comment. You can say I've already followed them right here. um Drop me a follow right here on X at Onisiru God's time, and let me show you Onisiru God's time Treasury. So drop me a follow. This is my new account. The first one was suspended. I don't really know why, just show suspended, and I'm not really happy at it, but what can I do? It's Twitter that owns the application and other stuff like that. So now let's go back to the video. So after following, I'll go to the channel to follow the channel. I'll join it and I'll go back. I'll join chat and I'll go back. Okay, I've not joined the chat. Join chat. Then I'm gonna come here. If you don't join it, they'll not allow you past the stage, and you click on join. Now after clicking on join, you see you show that animation and say verify. Click on get verified now, which is right there. Then click on start. It will open up the bot to verify you, and just wait up. Then go to click on this I'm not a robot. Definitely I'm not a robot. I am not a robot, I am human. And you verify. So after then I'll click on submit. Then you can see congratulations, you are now verified, and that's what you go about it, guys. Then when you click on my score, it's going to tell you how many score you have. Then you click on generate refer message. So this is the link you want to share to your friend to be part of the competition, and there are many more gifts to come. So have a nice day, guys, and catch you there. Peace.